here. Did we get bombed today? This looks like a war zone.
What are you doing here?
I live here, remember?
Oh, I'm sorry, Amy. I was just fixing up something here for Felicia. She's had a really tough day today.
Tell me about it.
It was kind of a dinner for two, you know. I guess it'd be okay if you stayed upstairs.
It would be okay if I stayed upstairs. Gee, thank you very much, Frisco. I know I'm a third wheel around here, but I'm a hungry third wheel. So if it's okay with you, I'll make myself a sandwich and I'll make myself scarce.
I got a better idea, Amy. Why don't you go out to dinner? I'll buy anywhere you like.
What is this, an April Fool's joke?
No, I'm serious. Anywhere you like. Best place in town. Port Charles Hotel, even.
And am I supposed to eat alone?
No, by no means. Take somebody, okay? No problem. Could you put on your credit card? I'll pay you back tomorrow. I promise.
You've got to be out of your mind.
Amy,
Checks
please.
in the mail, I'm sure.
No, come on, please. If you don't want to do it for me, then do it for love.
For love. Do you realize my whole life has been one big April Fool's joke? Fine. I'll go to the movies. You know, you owe me.
Thanks, Amy.
Frisco!
Here we are, the moment has arrived. Time is finally on our side. Every whisper is breathing on the fire. Where do we go? All the way from here. It's not far. How do we know? It's a case of taking heart. Where do we go? All the way. Don't be afraid. Tell me how far. Love can take us all away. Reckless love, it gives too much too soon. Still, what I feel is wrapped up in you. But hearts don't break.
What about dinner?
You're really hungry, are you?
It's not far. How do we know? It's a case of taking heart. Where do we go? All the way. Don't be afraid. Tell me how far. Love can take us all the way.
For an early look at business news, watch our comprehensive new